Accurshear CNC Frontgauge, with its heavy-duty mechanical design, is an excellent way to increase shearing productivity. Completely designed and manufactured at the Accurshear plant in Wilmar, Minnesota, the CNC Frontgauge increases shearing accuracy, maximizes material usage, eliminates sheet sag problems, and provides more accurate gauging of large sheets. Standard ball transfers in the squaring arm and support arms ease material handling, thereby increasing shearing efficiency through reduced personnel needs and quicker setup. Heavy-duty steel standard pneumatic fingers are air-activated and raise only at preset positions to minimize operator error and reduce possible scratching of the workpiece. All of these features and job functions are programmed entirely via the front control of the Accurshear, such as the two-step shearing sequence shown here. Once the shear is programmed, the operator simply positions the plate up against the raised pneumatic finger stop along the edge of the CNC Frontgauge for each cut in the sequence. CNC squaring arms can be purchased in 8 to 12 foot lengths. Front sheet support arms are available in 6 foot lengths.